first thing you're going to do is over the incisions, use this back to grass, which is non-adherent with antibiotic. So you put it in the area where you've made your incisions. And then what I like to do is take 2 pieces of 3x3, fold them in half, and put it in between the first and second. Of course, all your supplies are going to be sterile. Then some cling. And because the area along the 5th is very sensitive, there's not a lot of padding, it's very bony, and because I wrap the bandage very tight, this area can become very tender. So there's a few ways I can protect that area. One is by folding some 3x3s in the particular area, or using a couple of different pads. One is an adhesive foam pad that you put over like this. The other is a felt dancer's pad, which you put over like this, and that way you protect the 5th. And then you just cover it with the cling. I have scissors. We'll just tear it. The next thing you want to do is, I use a very strong cloth tape, and for the left foot I would start doing it this way. And really the most important thing is you want to push the first metatarsal fragment laterally in place, and then really pull tightly, and that keeps it stabilized in place. After that, I take some strips of the cotton tape and I move the hallux over as far as I can get medially, and you don't want it dorsiflexed, you want it level or a bit plantar flexed. And the reason I move this hallux over as medially as I do is because it puts a retrograde force on the distal fragment of the first metatarsal. So as long as they're wearing this HAV splint, that hallux is moved as far medially as I can get it. Once all that's done, I cover it with Coflex or Coban, and we have every color and every pattern known to mankind, because I have it specially designed from the distributor. So we have a lot of fun with this. And you want to make sure it's nice and snug, especially around your surgical site. And then to prevent any slippage, I'll usually use a paper tape like Zonus. Anything that's a paper tape. And that's how it looks.